Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making caprese salad, and this is all that you're going to need. Tomato, basil, mozzarella, balsamic glaze, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil, and it just takes minutes to make and it's delicious. I'm going to start with cutting the mozzarella. So maybe about 1/2 inch for each piece. Next, I'm going to cut the tomatoes. We want them to be about the same width so they'll look beautiful on the plate. We're just cutting the top off. And now we're ready to put them on our plate. So I have this nice round plate. I want to put my tomatoes on and work our way around. Now it doesn't matter which order you do this in, the result's going to be the same. And then the mozzarella. So every other spot gets the mozzarella. Then the basil. And we're doing the same thing with that. We're putting it in between, and the basil smells so good. Very aromatic. And all you're doing is tucking those in between and just letting it stick out a little bit. And we're going to put salt and pepper on it. Just a sprinkle. You don't have to measure anything. That's the best part of this recipe. There's no measuring and very little cutting. And we're going to use our pepper grinder. Maybe a little more salt. Mark likes more pepper. I like more salt. Next is our olive oil. We're just drizzling. We want to be sure to get every piece should have some olive oil on it. Oh, that looks beautiful. And our last thing is our balsamic glaze. I'm going to shake the bottle off a little bit. There we go. You can add as much or as little as you want. And now it's ready. It's as easy as that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Caprese salad in minutes.
Deliciousness. The smell, oh my gosh.
It really does.
The basil.
The fresh basil.
The balsamic
tomatoes.
vinaigrette.
If you've garden fresh tomatoes, oh my gosh. We're ready.
Some mozzarella, some basil.
Now, this is only good for a short period of time, so when you make it, you want to serve it the same day. Sorry. You ready? Wow.
Oh, it's tomatoes, summer, yum.
Yum, yum. Wow. You can't go wrong with this one.
That's a winner.
It is a winner. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. We certainly will. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again real soon in the next video. Bye.